prepare for this, and everyone tells you, you have to wear a diaper when you go up and be prepared to use it while you're there and all of this other stuff. And so then he's talking about using the toilets upon the ISS. Now, he mainly stayed on the Russian side, but the toilets in general are relatively similar. And he says it's one of those things that you kind of have to experience. It's nobody can really tell you about it for you to fully appreciate it. He's like, let me explain. Here on Earth, you have a tube of toothpaste, and you hold it, horizontally, and you squeeze it, and eventually the toothpaste that comes out of the tube will get heavy enough and drop off into the sink. All right. We all understand that. He's like, in microgravity, that doesn't really happen. So they have these vacuums to help you, to assist with this. He says, I called it the flow-pee. And it was like the perfect ending to that movie, because you could totally see and totally understand where all that was going.
Literally.
So, yeah, the toilets, while they are what they are, and it is unfortunate when they break down, I can't imagine not being able to use one and have to be stuck in a diaper for days on end.
And if you want more space potty jokes, we actually have them on Space Vidcast, but you do need to be an Epic subscriber for that level of content. You can go over there. Flying Jenny tells other stories where she got a bunch of astronaut pee, not Flying Jenny, but one of her co-workers got peed on by a bunch of astronauts. And it's not as bad as it sounds, but it is a very funny story. So certainly go subscribe to Epic for that one if you want to hear that story.
Have you guys seen the waste recycling spoof video, the testing?
No. We do have a screenshot of the
caution urine
sticker, which is really cool.
What we're gonna do here, because I'm out of time for AskOutcast and Ask Me to Ask questions. You guys have been awesome guests. What I'm going to do, I'm going to hit the stop record button here, but I'm going to play this video for you guys. If you guys haven't seen it, you'll wet yourselves.
That doesn't sound fun.
It's fun, man.
It is a body show.
You should try it every once in a while. But I'm just going to go ahead and close out here and just say thanks, everybody, for coming. It's been an awesome show. Thank you, Ben. Thank you, Carrie Ann.
Thank you.
Maybe we'll have you on again 6-12 months' time, see where you guys are at with Space Vidcast again, and and I'll harass you guys every couple of Thursdays,
Heck yeah.
But
expect to see all of you in the room on Space Vidcast Friday, 2 a.m. Coordinated Universal Time.
If I may, really quickly, our guest this week is the guy who started Space Camp.
Really?
Yeah.
I so wanted to go to Space Camp when I was a kid, and I never got to go because I was in Boy Scouts, so I went to Boy Scout camp instead of Space Camp. And
yep. So watch our show live in high definition, spacevidcast.com, every Friday at 2 a.m. Coordinated Universal Time. And before you go, one interesting fact: the reason we do Coordinated Universal Time is because almost 50% of our audience comes from the rest of the world. So we can't
outside of the U.S.
Outside of the U.S. So we can't do U.S.-centric times because no one knows what that means. But the U.S. has no idea what Coordinated Universal Time is.
It's Thursday nights, 10 p.m. Eastern Time.
Universal Coordinated Time. I mean,
hit stop, and if you guys want to learn what Coordinated Universal Time is, you need to watch this show live, and then he can explain it to you.
There you go.
All right. Everybody, thank you again. This has been Ask Outcast. We're on every Tuesday, 8 p.m. from now on, where you get your tech entertainment live.